Welcome to our new series, Indian Meal Prep, where we're sharing recipes which are high protein, Indian vegetarian recipes that actually taste good. Today we're going to show you how to make our Dal Makhani. To start off with, you're going to get 300 grams of urad, place it in a large saucepan and wash and rinse it a few times. Once it's washed, you're going to add 2 litres of water to the urad. Making our Dal Makhani does take some time, but it is worth it at the end. To make sure that the flavours are infused from the beginning, we're also going to add 2 bay leaves and 3 cardamom pods to the urad and water. You then want to place this on the hob and turn it up to a high heat. Bring this to a boil and then reduce to a simmer and leave to simmer for about 2 hours. As it simmers, it gives it a chance for the flavours to develop and infuse into your Dal Makhani. You want to mix this occasionally every 20 to 30 minutes to make sure the urad doesn't stick to the bottom. After about 2 hours, the urad should be soft and we're ready to add more flavour to our Dal Makhani. So to start off with, we're going to add 300 grams of passata followed by 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. You're also going to add 3 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala, along with 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Give this all a really good mix. This combination of spices makes the best Dal Makhani. Don't forget, if you want more recipes like this, hit that like and subscribe button and comment below what you want to see next. We also like to have kidney beans in our Dal Makhani, so we're adding 1 tin of drained kidney beans to our Dal Makhani and then give this all a really good mix. To give time for that urad to keep cooking and for those flavours to really develop, again we're going to leave this to simmer for another 30 to 45 minutes. Again, make sure you stir this every 15 to 20 minutes just to make sure nothing is sticking on the bottom, and if needed, add some more water. After about 30 to 45 minutes, you're ready to add your final ingredients. We're going to go in with about 30 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons of double cream and some coriander. The cream and the butter really adds creaminess to the Dal Makhani, and the coriander adds some extra flavour. You want to give this all a good mix and leave it to simmer for about 10 minutes, just so the butter can melt in and it has time for that creaminess to develop. And there you have it, our delicious Dal Makhani, which is great to serve with our flatbreads. This is perfect for high protein Indian meal prep.